So what's the relationship with KV now?
KV and me, yeah, we're very
Do
good
you
friends.
do you do stuff?
We're going to
together?
start doing sketches. That's what we used to do in
I
our
love
YouTube
the sketch
channel.
format. Why is it
And
not working anymore?
Because man, it's a lot of effort and very little payoff.
I think this young generation is fuckers here. They don't watch sketches. They find sketches passe or too, old-fashioned or what. I don't know what it is.
Yeah.
But
But we'll get it
I love
back.
watching them and I like doing them as well. So,
Yeah.
why can't four of us do sketches?
Let's do. Who's the fourth one?
You,
Oh, fair. Thanks.
Kunal,
Now it makes sense.
KV, me, you.
Kunal, KV, me and you.
Yeah.
Oh, that would be a dream.
Dynamite, bro.
Absolutely.
Team of alphas.
Dude, no,
No.
they're just two alphas.
Kunal and KV.
KV is not an alpha.
Yeah. KV cries, but both the Ks cry a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah, Kunal,
Yeah, K series.
yeah. K series is fair. My Kunal cries a lot.
My Kunal.
Well, how do we distinguish them?
Because he's not Kunal, he's Kumar
yeah,
Varun.
but they're both KV, now so it's confusing.
Okay, my Kunal, my KV, your KV.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Your KV, तुम्हारी KV मेरे KV से better है.
You think?
No, it's a statement. Okay.
I
go
think
on.
it's a fact.
Yeah. So your KV,
Aesthetics also. Yeah.
so your KV
Huh.
is
No, he cries over.
he's very competitive.
No.
Nah, theoretic है.
My KV is not competitive at all.
Senti.
No, he's lazier than me. He makes me feel like an active, dominant force of nature.
That's a good friend to have.
It's a great friend to have.
Yeah.
I feel like a success. We're sitting around him and, because he literally wants the car to come to the lobby, right to the step.
Huh.
He just won't get out of the car. He won't walk even one extra foot. It's just, you will never think
But
of
you
India.
just spoke about how you walk your dog through Bain and
But at
Uber.
least I exercise in the morning every day. I'm a little different. Yeah, it's not the same thing. But he makes.
But what kind of an impact you are having? You as a friend should be encouraging him to.
No,
do
but I put him down a lot. No,
What do you mean put him
I
down?
just make fun of him all the time.
You
and-
should stop. Maybe that's.
Yeah, but then what's the fun in the relationships?
But थोड़ा 3 दिन मजाक उड़ाओ 3 दिन मत उड़ाओ 3 दिन
Then what
motivate
do we
करो.
talk about? We're like two old aunties sitting, scratching and watching the
Cyrus,
television.
you're never going to run out of topics to talk about.
But this is fun, no?
This is
Kunal
fun.
jokes is the way it's.
Have
one
you
of
ever
the-
tried to get him to the gym with you? Maybe that like working with a friend, working out with a friend might
He's
be.
joined the gym 3-4 times in the course of our relationship as lovers, and unfortunately, he's not seen it through very. It's just not his thing. When he got injured, the hip accident that he had and all that.
Oh God,
we
I
had
didn't
a
know
bad
this.
accident. Somebody was drinking and driving, not me. But I mean, it's not funny because it was a bad accident. But don't drink and drive. And-
Never drink and drive.
Yeah, I mean, don't even drink and jog because I think even that's dangerous.
Unless-
don't jog. Jogging worse than drinking. Yeah, as far as I'm
Just
concerned.
drink.
Yeah, your knees go. Drinking is no guarantee. You just lose a friend or two, and she'll never talk to you again.
Yeah.
But hey, there's a upside to that. Yeah. So, what are we talking about? Kunal.
No, drinking and driving. How he
No,
injured his
after the
hip.
hip thing. So he wanted us to organize the physio, and so the physio said you have to do exercises and stuff. So he asked me to get somebody from the gym to help him with exercises. And the guy came back and told me, I can't work with this guy. Huh?
Wow.
He wants me to move. He wants the gym guy to move his leg, move his hand, move his other leg. I mean, there's nothing. He's like a pasha sitting there and say, yeah, पैर को खींचो, हाँ,
Like
हाँ,
he was a wizard of Oz
yeah.
behind.
So he thinks that's exercise.
Ah.
And the other thing he does, now that you want to expose this man, I'll expose him.
No, but I think you're being unfair. He injured his hip, right?
Yeah, it was
So
a
he
bad.
must be in pain,
He
right?
was in pain, but the
Yeah.
idea is that you have to now fight the pain a little bit and make yourself
थोड़ा
more
करके
mobile.
होगा ना?
वो कुछ मेहनत की बात नहीं है इसमें because there's no question. He's asking that guy to pull the leg up, put the leg down like it's a lever. What is he doing? He's just lying there. Yeah, and if he feels pain, he'll stop. That's it.
My KV is not like
Yeah,
this.
yeah.
My
The other
KV
thing
will
is, I've exposed this before. He got himself an Apple Watch or whatever it's called, that thingy which gives the steps. So it gives the steps all day, no? It's
Yeah.
like telling my wife, "Aaj 10,000 complete kiya."
That's not bad. If
Brother, he didn't leave the house.
he walked inside the house.
No, he sits on the pot for 10 minutes and goes like this, like this, like this. We found out later. He confessed. Then he sits watching the TV and goes like this, like this, like this, like this. See, this is you can't cheat the system. Only Indians do this. The fucking science is there. We cheat it. We find a way to gumao the science. Science out. I'll take over the science. And 10,000 steps. You were shocked. 10,000 steps for his size is not bad at all. In fact, data is there. 10,000 steps is great.
There's
They fucking just he didn't even have work. He didn't leave the house. He just sat there and he moved his legs. Okay, that doesn't count, bro. It can't count.
There's a guy in the US, I think he did this to cheat because his doctor had said you have to do so many steps. He took the watch, put it in his dog, and just made the dog run and come
Coming
back.
soon. Coming soon.
And then
Yeah.
took it, bore it back and sees 10,000.
Yeah, so this we exposed him.